So you want to know if you're getting a good interest rate on your mortgage. This is the easiest way to check the interest rate that you can get without having to shop with different lenders. The first thing you want to do is Google the CFPB rate checker. Once you've done that, you'll go ahead and scroll down, put in your credit score. We're going to do 740, and then we're going to choose our state as California. Go ahead and put in the purchase price of the home that you'll be expecting. Then your down payment, we'll do 5% here. After that, you can put in your loan type if you want, but we can see in California, most lenders are offering 2.875% or below. Not only that, but you can also compare that interest rate versus a higher interest rate and see what kind of savings you can get very quickly from different interest rates. So now you know almost exactly what's happening in your market rate-wise, so you know if you're getting a good deal in less than 60 seconds.